Stripping and bending hooks on wires at the rough-in stage for dishwasher and disposal installations under a counter can be a beneficial practice. Let's explore the advantages and disadvantages of this technique. One pro is easier connection of plugs during finishing. Pre-stripped and bent hooks allow electricians to quickly and easily connect plugs to the dishwasher and disposal without having to climb under the counter. 2. Reduce risk of injury. Climbing under counters to connect plugs can be uncomfortable and potentially lead to injuries. Pre-bending hooks eliminates this need. 3. Improved efficiency. By eliminating the need to strip and bend hooks on site, electricians can save time and increase their productivity. 4. Cleaner installation. Pre-bending hooks creates a more organized and professional-looking installation. Now let's consider the cons. 1. Potential for damage. If the hooks are not bent correctly, they could damage the insulation on the wires. 2. Added labor at rough-in. Stripping and bending hooks at rough-in requires additional labor, which may increase the project cost. 3. Need for skilled rough-in electricians. Not all rough-in electricians have the experience or skill to properly strip and bend hooks. Overall, the decision of whether to strip and bend hooks at rough-in is ultimately a matter of preference and project-specific considerations. However, the potential benefits of doing so, such as improved efficiency and reduced risk of injury, may outweigh the cons for many projects. There are a few additional considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, communication between rough-in and finishing electricians is essential. Ensure that the rough-in electricians understand the importance of properly stripping and bending hooks. Secondly, training and quality control is vital. Provide training to rough-in electricians on the proper techniques for stripping and bending hooks. Regularly inspect their work to ensure it meets standards. Finally, consider using pre-wired whips that include pre-stripped and bent hooks for dishwasher and disposal connections. This can further simplify the installation process. By carefully weighing the pros and cons, and considering these additional factors, electricians can determine whether stripping and bending hooks at rough-in is the right approach for their projects.